It's a pleasure having John DeLeo of LiDARSON with me. John, from my perspective, this is a rather Euro and US-centric conference. You, being a citizen of China, have maybe a different perspective. Could you comment on what is your perception around this conference?
Oh yeah. First of all, thank you, Bruno, for this interview. So, as a Chinese manufacturer, and I think we are typical Chinese LED company, and I'm very happy to see that more and more Chinese company or Chinese people are being involved in this conference. Like 2 years ago, when we were first joining this smart lighting conference, there was just us, only LiDARSON.
Okay.
This year, at least I see 3 or even more Chinese company and Chinese utilities, they are joining this conference. So as the biggest LED manufacturing or production base in the world, China, I think China will be involved and can contribute more and more in this LED lighting and smart lighting industry. Yeah.
Okay, you see a growing interest from the side of the Chinese companies, and when you deal with the content of the conference, what are your takeaways, I would say?
Okay.
Your major takeaways, at least.
Yeah. So I think I have 2 major takeaways. So
Okay.
the first is of course the opportunities. Yeah. So in this conference this year it's still smart lighting and smart sensing. So I have seen not only the smart lighting part, of course, very hot topic, human-centric lighting, as well as the smart sensing technologies. So I'm very happy that I learned a lot in the smart sensing sessions. Yeah, which for us as a lighting company, we lacked quite a lot of sensor technology. Yeah. So I think that's our big opportunities in that field. Yeah. And second one is of course, I don't want to call it threaten, but I'd rather call it challenge for us. Yeah. It's not only for LiDARSON, but I think for all the traditional lighting companies.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's
Because
for all the companies.
because like in this morning in the plenary, they are in the plenary panel. They were discussing like one interesting question. What about if Google they want to occupy lighting industry?
Yeah, okay.
So
See your
this
point.
is a rather interesting question. But I think that won't happen, or it happens in different way. If Google they really want coming into the lighting industry, maybe they purchase some or merge some smaller lighting companies and make the very professional connected lighting and utilize their cloud service and their search engine to empower for lighting. So then what they do is they make a very powerful competitor for all the lighting companies. It's not Google itself to the lighting, but it's a new competitor in the lighting industry, not Google itself. So
No, okay,
Yeah.
see your point. And could that be a Chinese company?
might be.
Okay.
Yeah. So the question comes back: if a company with the Google or company like Google, the internet company background, and who can make really human-centric lighting, that's a really big challenge for all the lighting companies.
Yeah, okay, see your point.
Because for the Internet of Things, still everything should be the things. You have to make really good product, not only the software.
No. Also, you need also quality hardware products to
exactly.
go along with it,
Yeah.
to offer the service you want to bring.
Yeah.
That's really
I think it's
pleases people.
just very similar to Tesla in the automobile industry.
yeah.
Tesla is so famous, and automobile companies they're quite threatened by Tesla is because Tesla, they are making really good cars, not only software.
No, it's okay.
Yeah.
So for you, it's clear there is a future to the lighting industry. There
Yes.
will come new players in. The Google type of players will add value, but there is still a future for the lighting industry.
Yeah, sure. So we need to learn,
Okay.
of course.
Yeah. Thank you, John, for your
Thank you.
valuable input. Thanks
you.
a lot.